باب علامة الإيمان حب الأنصار. Chapter. To love the Ansar is a sign of faith. حدثنا أبو الوليد قال حدثنا شعبة قال أخبرني عبد الله بن عبد الله بن جبر قال سمعت أنسا عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال آية الإيمان حب الأنصار وآية النفاق بغض الأنصار. Narrated Anas. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, love for the Ansar is a sign of faith and hatred for the Ansar is a sign of hypocrisy. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 4 narrations from Abdullah ibn Jabr. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail. Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.